This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Hikvision 5-megapixel Vari-Focal network bullet camera, model DS-2CD2655FWD-IZS. And the IZS stands for the infrared, the Vari-Focal zoom, and then the sound audio controller that this one supports. So let's crack it open and see what we got. So first things first, we have the Bullet Network Camera Quick Start Guide, the Network Camera Quick Start Guide, a CD I've never plugged in, or put in my computer anyway. The Thank You for Choosing Hikvision, a piece of foam, the security tool, the adapter that you can plug into the bottom of the camera to focus it, with one of the focusing tools that you can get, or Hikvision has. The different screws to mount the camera on the mount that's in here. So here's the plate for the mount first. The screws you should never use and use something different. And then the camera itself. So let's close this up. Out of the way. So here's the camera itself. It is definitely heavier than the value series bullets, so just keep that in mind. This one has a 2.8 to 12 millimeter lens for the Vari-Focal zoom. It's H265 plus, 2944 by 16. 56 max resolution, IP66 and IK10 rating, and has a spot on the bottom for up to 128 gigabyte micro SD card, which is in here, and that's where you can also unscrew this underneath, and that's where the you can plug in your focusing adapter. So here's the camera itself. Just a single screw here for adjusting instead of the triple on the value series stuff. Then the back, you have the hook for the mount, which I'll show you in a sec. You have your alarm, your audio in and out, the LAN PoE port, and the DC 12 volt. So here's that. And your sunshade can go back and forth about an inch. So here's the mount itself. Goes in like this. And you have various knockouts for the wires, the safety harness so you can hook into the camera itself, so you can work on it and have it hanging off this instead of the network cable. And then there's the knockout at the bottom that you can fit a 3/4 inch, or just remove this if it's going straight with the wire in, depending on where you're putting the camera itself. So there you have it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like or subscribe, and that'll be that. So once again, this was the Hikvision 5-megapixel Vari-Focal network bullet camera, model DS-2CD2655FWD-IZS, unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.